Welcome all of you. The question is, calculate the highest and the lowest resistance that can be obtained from the combination of 4 resistances 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. So we know that if I want to combine these 4 resistances in series combination, then it will be looking like this, that is the 4 ohm, after that 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. So if I connect these 4 in a series combination, then the equivalent resistance will be simply the algebraic sums of these 4 resistances. So you can say that is 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24 ohm. So it is 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24, 24 plus 24 is 48 ohm. And if I connect these 4 resistances in parallel combination, just like this, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, and the last one is 24 ohm. Then the equivalent resistance, if I write down RS, if they are connected in series combination. Now if I write down RP, which is the equivalent resistance of these 4 resistances in parallel combination, then 1 by RP should be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. If I do the LCM, it will be 24. So 4 divided by 24 is 6, 1 into 6. So it is 6, 8 divided by 24 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 12 divided by 24 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2, 24 divided by 24 is 1, so it will be 1. So 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 12. Sorry, 11 plus 1, 12. So 12 by 24 and it will be 1 by 2. So RP is 2 ohm. So from here we can see that the highest resistance can be obtained by connecting these 4 in series combination, and lowest resistance can be obtained by connecting these 4 in parallel combination. Let us try to understand why. Let us connect these 4 in series combination in between the potential difference between VA and VB. Okay. If VA is greater than VB, then the current will flowing like this. The I current will flowing from VA through the 4 ohm, then through 8 ohm, then it counteract the 12 ohm, then it counteract the 24 ohm. So the I current have to pass through the 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. Whatever be the resistance in this path, the I current have to pass through it. So it suffers all the resistances. What is resistances? Basically it is the obstruction in the path of the flowing the current. So at first it feels the obstruction for the 4 ohm, then for the 8 ohm, then for the 12 ohm, then for the 24 ohm. That's why the most obstruction or resistances in the time of flowing the current from VA to VB is when the resistances are connected in series connection, one after another. Now let us say this parallel combination is connected in between the same potential VA and VB. If VA is greater than VB, then obviously the current starts flowing from VA and it will end up to VB. But when it's entering through this node, it have 4 options: 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. So obviously it will avail all the options since they are connected here. The 4 ohm resistance is small, so most of the current starts flowing through this resistance. 8 ohm resistance is slightly greater than that of it, so slightly less current is flowing through this 8 ohm. After that, 12 ohm is slightly greater than that of the 8 ohm, so slightly less current than that of I2 is flowing through it. Similarly, 24 ohm is the maximum resistance used here, so the minimum current is flowing through it. So obviously we can say here the I1 flows like this, here the I2 flows like this, here the I3 flows like this, and here the I4 flows like this. And here I1, I2, I3 and I4, okay, just algebraically add it and gives you the I. So it have the options in choosing the current flow through which it will send a greater current, through which it will send a small current. Obviously there is 4 options. So that's why the current that have to send from this terminal have 4 options. According to the resistances, they send the currents. They send the maximum current to 4 ohm, minimum current to 24 ohm, and somehow intermediate through the 8 ohm and 12 ohm. Okay, whatever be it, the I current will be we get here. What is sent from VA, we get here at VB. But here there is no options. The I current have to pass through all the resistances. That's why when the resistances are connected in series combination, at that time the equivalent resistance suffered will be 48 ohm. But here, since there is lots of options, the current through the smaller resistance is greater, current through the bigger resistance or greater resistance is smaller, so the equivalent resistance here decreased, and obviously it is according to this formula that 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4, and if we calculate these things, it becomes Rp equal to 2 ohm. So that is the cause behind this. That is, when you are calculating the highest resistance, you have to connect them in series combination. When you try to calculate the lowest one, we have to connect them in the parallel combination. Thank you.